Erode Smart City. Erode City was selected in the fourth round of Smart Cities Challenge. Area-based development area comprises 15.61 square kilometers of the city. The total cost of Erode Smart City project is Rs 1,543.51 crores. Erode City in Tamil Nadu is located in the bank of River Kaveri. This city is famous for turmeric and textile industry. Smart City projects changes the face of Erode City in many aspects, especially bin-free and garbage-free. The city generates around 165 metric tons of solid waste every day, out of which 75 metric tons is biodegradable wet waste, 6 metric tons is saleable dry waste, 72 metric tons is non-saleable dry waste, 0.5 metric tons of e-waste and 1 metric ton of domestic hazardous waste, 2 metric tons of C&D waste and remaining are inerts. We have implemented 100% source segregation and door-to-door collection of MSW in our city. Entire collection of solid waste is being mechanized and we have introduced 89 numbers of light commercial vehicles and 90 numbers of battery-operated vehicles. The hand-driven push carts and tricycles are eradicated from garbage collection activities. The sanitary workers collect wet waste, dry waste, e-waste, domestic hazardous waste in different containers and taken to concerned MCCs. The wet waste is handed over in MCC. The processing of wet waste is being done through the following methods. Under Smart City Mission, micro-compost centers have been constructed at 24 locations with the capacity of 72 metric tons per day for disposing organic waste through aerobic composting method. The decentralized scientific disposal of organic waste has given immense success because of the implementation of door-to-door collection and source segregation. The steps involved in aerobic compost methods are: the segregated organic waste, initially shredded into small pieces. The shredded organic waste inoculated with culture media which contain effective microorganism for the perfect biological degradation of organic waste. Every day, the wastes are being turned for more contact with air. The moisture content and pH are monitored for perfect biological degradation of waste. After 42 days of continuous process, the organic waste converted into biomanure, which contains more nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other essential micronutrients which are essential for agricultural purpose. The manure is tested in Agricultural University and found as good quality organic manure. Till date, 1,750 metric tons of manure has been generated from above micro-compost center and given to farmers free of cost. The farmers in the suburban area of Erode City Municipal Corporation are taking the manure free of cost through their own vehicle. It has come to know that the fertility of the soil has improved enormously after using this biomanure.
வணக்கம், என்னுடைய பெயர் மீனாட்சி சுந்தரம். ஈரோடு மாவட்டம் வைராபாளையம் கிராமத்தில் ஒரு 10-15 ஏக்கர் விவசாயம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இதில் நெல், வாழை, மஞ்சள் சாகுபடி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஈரோடு கார்ப்பரேஷனில் வைராபாளையம் கிடங்களை பிரித்து கொடுக்குற இயற்கை உரம் வந்து எங்கள் விவசாயத்துக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. நான் இதை வந்து 2019 உபயோகப்படுத்திட்டு இருக்கேன். இதுக்கு நாங்கள் ஈரோடு கார்ப்பரேஷனுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறோம் விவசாயிகள் சார்பில்.
The remaining biodegradable waste, 5 metric tons, is being processed in biomethanation plant located at Vendipalayam compost yard. The electrical energy produced from above plant is used for lighting the surrounding area. In Erode City, 65 numbers of bulk waste generators are identified in the city. 7 metric tons of wet waste from the bulk waste generators are taken into farms and converted into manure. In Erode City, 6,350 number of houses follow the home composting in their own agricultural lands and in their backyards from 3 metric tons of wet waste processed through home composting. Disposal of dry waste. Around 4 metric tons of saleable dry waste, which include paper, plastic and metals, are sold to local vendors by sanitary workers themselves. Till date, around 680 metric tons of saleable waste is sold out for 26.4 lakhs. E-waste is collected and stored in Vendipalayam and Vairapalayam resource recovery centers separately and handed over to TNPZB authorized vendors. A separate location at Solar with an extent of 10 acres is earmarked for storage of C&D waste. Non-saleable dry waste will be processed through incineration. 2 numbers of incinerators with a capacity of 35 TPD is under construction under Smart City Mission, which will be completed before January 2021. It is proposed to construct another incinerator with a capacity of 25 TPD before June 2021. All efforts are being taken from source segregation till processing and disposal of solid waste. Around 550 numbers of street bins were removed and most of the streets made binless in residential areas. In commercial areas and public places, litter bins are placed and they are cleared on a daily basis. Thanks to the funding from Smart City Mission, Erode Smart City Limited implemented the solid waste management program in a scientific way and achieved the status of garbage-free city.